Hospitals exist to save lives, but there is something we don't talk about enough. What's left behind after the care is done? My name is Simon-Ogan, and I'm a student at Montgomery Blair High School in Silver Spring, Maryland. I'm here today to pitch BioSheath. In the next 60 seconds, hospitals around the world will generate more than 2,000 pounds of medical packaging waste, and almost all of it, even the stuff labeled biodegradable, ends up in landfills. Here's why. Most biodegradable medical packaging doesn't actually break down in real conditions. One of the most common materials, PLA or polylactic acid, is plant-based, but it only decomposes in industrial composting facilities, which doesn't exist for medical waste. Other materials like starch-based packaging can start breaking down too early, sometimes during sterilization, which puts patient safety at risk. So hospitals are stuck in a red ocean. They're forced to choose between packaging that's safe and packaging that's sustainable. Right now, they can't have both. That's the problem BioSheath solves. BioSheath is medical packaging that stays strong when it's needed and disappears when it's not. On the shelf and in the operating room, BioSheath behaves like traditional medical packaging. It's sterile, stable, and reliable. But once it enters a landfill or composting environment, something different happens. BioSheath is built to sense the environment biologically. Hospitals are sterile. There's no microbial activity. The landfills and compost sites are full of bacteria and fungi. When BioSheath enters that environment, those microbes recognize it as organic material and begin interacting with it. As part of their normal life cycle, these microbes release enzymes and natural byproducts. BioSheath is designed to respond only to those signals. That's what triggers the breakdown. Structurally, BioSheath uses a layer design. The inner layer contains biodegradable polymers and dormant enzymes. The middle layer protects the packaging during sterilization, and the outer layer provides strength using fungal mycelium and agricultural waste. Once microbial activity begins, the layer breaks down in sequence. Over about 30 days, BioSheath turns from medical packaging into nutrient-rich compost. BioSheath does not just solve a technical problem, it opens a whole new door for hospitals, clinics, and medical suppliers. Like I touched on briefly, hospitals and medical device manufacturers have to choose between traditional medical packaging that's safe, while harms the environment, and current biodegradable options that can compromise shelf life. Our asset strategy canvas shows this clearly. Traditional packaging scores high on shelf life and ease of use, but low on eco-friendliness and biodegradability. Current biodegradable options improve sustainability slightly, but often reduce shelf life and ease of use. Hospitals are left with no ideal solution. With BioSheath, we create a blue ocean. To understand this, let's look at the 3 tiers of non-customers. First tier, hospitals already buying traditional packaging but frustrated with waste disposal. Second tier, smaller clinics avoiding green options because they're worried about safety and cost. Third tier, eco-conscious medical suppliers and administrators who want a sustainable solution but have no products they trust. BioSheath reaches all 3 tiers by combining safety, sustainability, and reliability, something no other product currently does. We use the ERRC framework to design BioSheath, eliminate the trade-off between safety and sustainability, reduce dependence on specialized disposal facilities which are expensive or unavailable for medical waste, raise standards for environmental compliance and biodegradability, create packaging that senses its environment biologically, breaking down safely and quickly without human intervention. The bioutility chart shows exactly where BioSheath delivers new value. Red circles mark what the industry already provides: clinical safety and workflow compatibility. Blue circles show BioSheath's new benefits: environmental impact and disposal simplicity. We also map BioSheath on a 2B strategy canvas. Compared to traditional packaging, we raise environmental performance and disposal simplicity, reduce reliance on costly disposal systems, and create a solution that no competitor currently offers. The market potential is significant. Hospitals in the United States alone generate millions of pounds of packaging annually, and the global medical packaging market is valued at over $10 billion. We estimate a patent period of 20 years, and our base target market includes over 6,000 hospitals and 30,000 smaller clinics in the US. Partnerships with medical distributors and sustainability-focused organizations can accelerate adoption, starting with large hospital networks and eventually expanding internationally. Technically, BioSheath is fully feasible using existing materials. Biodegradable polymers and natural composites are already widely used in medical and food packaging. Dormant microbial enzymes and fungal mycelium composites have been proven to accelerate breakdown. Layered packaging for sterilization is a standard engineering approach already applied in other medical devices. In summary, BioSheath transforms medical packaging from a red ocean of compromise to a blue ocean of opportunity. It eliminates trade-offs and creates a completely new category of sustainable packaging: safe, reliable, and fully biodegradable.